Somehow I woke up out in Beverly, fucked up, smelling like that bourbon.
Hey guys, so today we have here the latest Spigen cases for the iPhone 12 series, and in this video we are going to unbox them first and later we are also going to try and test them out on the iPhone 12 itself. These two are for iPhone 12 and iPhone 12 Pro, and this one is compatible with iPhone 12 Pro Max. We also reviewed some ESR cases in the last video, so you can check them out later. And now let's get started with the unboxing of the first one. This one is called Spigen New Hybrid Case for the iPhone 12 and iPhone 12 Pro. And as you can see, the MRP printed on the box is about 3000 rupees, but you can get it on Amazon for around 1500 rupees. So the sides seem to be made up of hard plastic, and in the back it has this textured rubber which has quite nice grip, and all the proper cutouts for your ports, speakers and buttons are available. So now let's keep this aside and unbox the second one, which is called the Spigen Tough Armor case for the iPhone 12 and iPhone 12 Pro. So for this one also, the MRP printed on the box is about 4000 rupees, but you can get it on Amazon for 2000 rupees. By the way, you can get the similar cases for all the iPhone 12 series, whether it be mini or the max. So the additional features of this one is that it has a stand on the back, and it also has an additional cutout for the Apple logo on the back. So from the inside it has little bit of soft padding, and from the back it's made up of plastic, though it looks like metal, but it's not. It's a really good quality plastic or some kind of fiber. And as you can see, this is a stand which comes out quite flimsy, not very sturdy, but it's okay, I guess. We will test it out later in the video.
Hollywood perfect. That's how it goes. Hollywood perfect.
So now let's move on towards the third one. This is called Spigen Rugged Armor, and this version we have here is for the iPhone 12 Pro Max. For this, the MRP printed on the box is 2200 rupees, but you can get it on Amazon for around 1100 rupees. So all these cases are available for exactly 50% less of what their MRP is. So this one is the cheapest of the all, and as you can see, it has soft edges, and in the back it has this sandstone like texture to it. Also you can see the cutout for the Apple logo in the back. The sides also have this texture for additional grip.
Hollywood perfect.
This is the ESR tempered glass case which I have been using for the past couple of months. Now let's remove it first.
These Hollywood hoes never notice. Can't get back on.
So now trying the first Neo Hybrid case on the iPhone 12.
Can't get back on. Girl, I miss you. Somehow I woke up.
As you can see, it fits perfectly, but it's a little bulkier than my previous ESR case. The buttons feel tactile and responsive, no issues there. You also get this raised edge around your cameras to protect your lenses from any damage. As you can see, the alert slider on this case is very hard to operate, because of the thickness of the edges. And no issues here. This case fits very tight and it's extremely difficult to remove.
The girls impolite in the club every night. That's how it goes when you Hollywood perfect.
Now trying out the Spigen Tough Armor for iPhone 12, and this case is even more bulkier than the previous one.
Hollywood perfect.
So if you are looking for a thin case, you should skip this one.
Somehow I woke up out in Beverly, fucked up, smelling like that bourbon. But I am
Here also the buttons feel very tactile and responsive.
girls impolite in the club every night. Somehow I woke up out in Beverly, fucked up.
Now let's test out the stand. So one thing worth mentioning about the stand is that it only works in landscape mode. It's just not engineered properly to work in portrait mode. Of these tempered glass cases for the iPhone 12 and iPhone 12 Pro, and not plastic, so they feel more premium in hand and they also provide better drop protection. So I have just put it in the box to show you guys. Now if you compare the Spigen cases with the ESR cases, the Spigen cases are definitely bulkier, but so do they add a little bit more protection. So you can choose depending on what you need. If you need a slimmer case, you should go with ESR cases, and if you need a little bit extra protection, you can go with Spigen cases also. But personally, I will go back to my ESR case only. It provides adequate protection without compromising compactness. So that's it for today guys. If you like this video, please hit the like button and consider subscribing. And if you have any questions or suggestions, please comment down below. See you next time.
Hollywood perfect. Hollywood perfect. That's how it goes when you Hollywood perfect.